Hi, and welcome to this course, Inside Secrets to Becoming a Highly Paid Copywriter. Now, being a copywriter is competitive. It is a saturated market in terms of how many people you will be competing with for projects. And that's a good thing because that means there's lots of work out there. Otherwise, people wouldn't want to do it. But it's important that we don't get stuck in this race to the bottom, in this race to charging the least amount in order to win work. So this course is all about how to set yourself apart from other copywriters by talking about your value, by defining your value, and by charging more money, charging premium rates. So let's get started. So today we're going to talk about how to set yourself apart and charge higher rates, which is what we're all here for, how to get clients and keep them happy, the steps to a successful copywriting business, and using sales psychology to write words that sell. And that really is the secret sauce. So we're going to cover a lot of ground in this course. And I hope you find it really, really useful. Of course, you can get in touch with me at any time, use the Q&A section to ask me any questions, and I will share some useful resources and templates that I use every day in my business to help you as well. So you are in the right place if you are considering becoming a freelance copywriter or starting a copywriting business. Now, there is a difference between these two, and we are going to talk about that a little bit later on. You're in the right place if you are already a copywriter and you would like to upskill or earn more money. So it doesn't matter if you've kind of already started your journey with copywriting. We're going to talk about some stuff today that will help you kind of elevate yourself above that competition and earn more money there. And it's also for you if you're a marketer, if you're a designer or a creative who's curious about adding copywriting to your skill set. So if you are asked all the time by your clients to help them write copy, or you ask clients to come to you with their content ready and they don't, if you're a web designer, this could be for you if you want to add this to your skill set and really kind of elevate and charge more for your services. So you're in the right place if any of those apply to you. So just to give you a really quick introduction to who I am, my name is Elle. I run a business called 23 Wise Words, where I help aspiring copywriters, whether that be business owners like coaches or consultants, or marketers, designers, VAs, anyone who wants to learn that skill of copywriting. I help them grow their business by teaching them how to write psychology-backed sales copy. My background is in psychology, so I am so passionate about that idea of bringing in these sales psychology principles and ethical persuasion principles into copy to really help you write words that sell. And that essentially is what copywriting is. And we're going to talk as well about the different types of copywriting and the different types of copywriter you might choose to be. A lot of this course is kind of centered around conversion or sales copywriting, because honestly, that is where the money is. And I'm going to talk about that as well. But there are obviously different types of copywriting, and we're going to cover those in a next session. So in the next video, we are going to talk about becoming a copywriter, everything you need to know. So even if you are already a copywriter, some of these kind of tips and lessons will help you. If you are about to become a copywriter, the next video is really going to talk you through how to lay those foundations for being a copywriter that charges premium rates. So right from the offset, I don't want you to start at the bottom. I don't want you to start charging your time at 10 cents. I don't want you to start charging your time really, really low. I want you to start higher up. And I'm going to talk you through all the different decisions you need to make when you're laying those foundations in order to charge premium rates. And then in later lessons, we're going to talk through all the different ways that you can set yourselves apart. So I will see you then.